Guten Abend. Hi, Christian, and all our customers and future customers in Germany. It's so great to be coming back to Germany and doing webinars there with my old friend Christian, who I've known for over 10 years now, and we've had many good times together. It's essentially about true host regeneration with EthOss, a material that is made of 65% ß-TCP, 35% calcium sulfate, and a material that I've used in over 7,000 grafts in 22 years. So I've had a lot of experience and unbelievable success with the material. And this is what we're going to be talking about this evening. But it's also led to us achieving the highest award in industry in the UK, the Queen's Award. And this is very difficult to attain in the UK, and has been because of the success of EthOss in the UK, where we now have possibly 40% of the particulate market, and the success globally, where we are now selling in 62 countries around the world. And it led to us being Exporter of the Year at the Lloyds Bank Awards recently. But it also meant that I went to Windsor Castle to meet Prince Charles, talk about things, and talk about bone regeneration in an ethical sense and success that we've had with nearly 1 million syringes sold globally. So this has been a lot of fun, and it would be nice to share things with our German friends. I've done a lot of research in synthetic materials over a 20-year period. And this is my most recent paper in 2020 with the University of Malaysia. And again, it just allows us to help the body heal the hard tissue, and then we can let the body do the soft tissue itself. Here is a 4-year follow-up, and you can see by just grafting with EthOss, it turns over fully to host bone. And in a 10-week period, we get very high quantities of new host bone. So you can see how now from a defect, we have a 4 millimeter buccal defect, and this leads to 6-year solid follow-up, 10-year follow-up, because we not only have good keratinized tissue, but this is attached keratinized tissue. And this is critical for the success of implants, because unlike a tooth, which has a periodontal ligament, implants don't. And it's important that we have this host bone to allow for this attachment of the keratinized tissue. This is one of the most important things. And, you know, Christian, I'm just about to publish a case series on routinely doing this, where we want to raise the ridge 4, 5, 6 millimeters vertically and 4, 5 millimeters horizontally on a periodontally involved ridge. Yes, we could easily graft into the sinus, but we want to restore the bone back to where it was. And this is something very exciting about what we can routinely achieve with EthOss. Here's just placing the implant and grafting this huge area of bone lost. And here it is 10 weeks later. We can see the restoration of the buccal tissue, restoration of the bone. The big defect is now returned by host regenerated bone. As you can see, we can then place a second implant. Here it is 1 year loaded and 2 years loaded. And as you can see, we've restored the ridge with papillae and a nice stable site. And this is what these new materials have allowed us to do. I'm doing maybe 3 grafts a day, every day for the last, 22 years. And it's been quite an eye-opener about not using membranes and optimizing the periosteum to upregulate host healing. And we've just got this new histology from Thailand, again showing this over 50% new host bone at 12 weeks. And minimal amounts of residual graft material, say less than 10%. So it's quite exciting to constantly see these results from the material. As you know, Christian, thank you for the help and support. And as you know, this is my practice in London, and this is my email address. ethos.dental is our website. And anyone in Germany would like to visit us on the Facebook Ethos Case Studies site. Here we can see other people and debating the benefits of ethos and how it's improved their daily ability to practice. Thank you, everyone in Germany. And thanks again, Christian. I hope to see you soon. Right. Bye-bye then.